In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up HubSpot with your Gmail account in just 5 minutes. This seamless integration can greatly enhance your email marketing and customer relationship management efforts. So, let's dive right into it. To get started, you first need to visit the HubSpot website. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the Login button. Click on that and you'll be prompted with options to log in. To keep things simple and efficient, go ahead and click on Sign in with Google. This option not only speeds up the login process, but also ensures that your Google account is effortlessly connected with HubSpot. Subsequently, choose the Google account you wish to connect. Once you've successfully signed in, navigate to the top right corner again, but this time click on Settings. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look for the General tab. It's important to explore these options because they offer a broad range of customization settings for your account. Afterward, click on the Email tab located at the top. This is where you'll manage your email preferences, which is crucial for integrating your Gmail. The next step is pivotal. Click on Connect Personal Email. This shows HubSpot that you intend to associate a specific email account with their services. Immediately after, you need to click on Connect Your Inbox. This action signals the beginning of the integration process with Gmail. In the next field that appears, type in your Gmail email address. Make sure to enter it accurately to avoid delays or the need to repeat this step. Once you've input your email, click on Next to proceed. Now you'll see an option to connect to Gmail. This option will lead you through the process of connecting your HubSpot account with Gmail officially. Click Connect to Gmail and allow any permissions it asks for. Click on Continue to finalize these changes and ensure that your settings are properly updated. The final part of the setup is super easy. Choose the Google Gmail account you want to connect with HubSpot. Once this selection is made, just a few background processes will link the two services, allowing HubSpot to work harmoniously with your Gmail account. That's it. You've successfully set up your HubSpot account to integrate with Gmail, opening up a world of possibilities for your business communications. Remember, with this integration, managing emails and understanding customer data becomes a whole lot easier and more efficient. Thanks for watching this step-by-step guide, and feel free to revisit this video if you need any reminders in the future.